Hi students, now example number 4 in a vector product or cross product. Calculate the area of a triangle for which two of its sides are given by the vectors A equal to 5i cap minus 3j cap and the vector B equal to 4i cap plus 6j cap. Now as an application of the vector product we have studied that the area of a parallelogram is equal to what? Modulus of A cross B. And if we divide the parallelogram into two equal halves, it has two triangles. And the area of each triangle is half the modulus of A cross B. That is what we are going to find out. So first we will find out what is the A cross B. Okay. So this is equal to A cross B, or directly its modulus itself we can find out. So that the modulus means only the coefficients we can write, that is enough. So this is 5 and this is minus 3 and the coordinates of B are 4 and 6. So this is now modulus of A cross B. So this is equal to 5 into 6. So I will write 5 into 6 minus of minus 3 into 4. So this is minus 3 into 4. So that this is equal to 6 5s are 30 minus of minus 4 3s are 12. So 4 3s are 12. So this will become plus 12. So that this is equal to what? 30 plus 12, that is 42 units. So modulus of A cross B is found to be what? 42 units. Okay, 42 units. Therefore, area of triangle, okay, area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of A cross B. And this is equal to 1 by 2 into 42. So this is now equal to 21 units. Like this, there are so many problems based on the cross product. Understand the cross product thoroughly. Understand the properties and applications of the cross product thoroughly and solve the numerical problems based on them. Okay, fine. I hope you must have understood. Okay.